This is an inspiring story of Caroly Takas. You have probably never heard of him. However, in Hungary, he is a national hero. Everybody there knows his name and his incredible story. After listening his story, you will never forget him. In 1938, Caroly Takas of the Hungarian army was the top pistol shooter in the world. He was expected to win the gold in the 1940 Olympics Games scheduled for Tokyo. Those expectations vanished one terrible day just months before the Olympics. While training with his army squad, a hand grenade exploded in Taka's right hand, and Taka's shooting hand was blown off. Taka spent a month in the hospital, depressed at both the loss of his hand and the end of his Olympic dream. At that point, most people would have quit, and they would have probably spent the rest of their life feeling sorry for themselves. Most people would have quit, but not Takas. Takas was a winner. Winners know that they can't let life is hand sorry sorry winners know that they can't let circumstances keep them down. They understand that life is hard and that they can't let life beat them down. Winners know in their heart that quitting is not an option. Takas did the unthinkable. He picked himself up, dusted himself off, and decided to learn how to shoot with his left hand. His reasoning was simple. He simply asked himself, why not? Instead of focusing on what he did not have, a world class right shooting hand, he decided to focus on what he did have incredible mental toughness and a healthy left hand that with time could be developed to shoot like a champion. For months, Takas practiced by himself. No one knew what he was doing. Maybe he did not want to subject himself to people who most certainly would have discouraged him from his rekindled dream. In 1940 and 1944, Olympics were cancelled because of World War II. It looked like Taka's Olympic dream would never have a chance to realize itself. But Takas kept training and in 1948 he qualified for the London Olympics. At the age of 38, Takas won the gold medal and set a new world record in pistol shooting. 4 years later, Takas won the gold medal again at the 1952 Helsinki Olympics. Takas, a man with mental toughness to bounce back from anything.